keeping the legs laterally rotated, separate the legs abducting, hinge at the hips, and then roll the pelvis sequentially up off the mat, arriving on the thoracic spine. At the top, pull the legs back together, adducting the legs and rotating to parallel. Then roll down the spine sequentially, and as the pelvis lowers, extend the hips to lower the legs to the diagonal. Inhale to separate the legs and exhale to roll the pelvis off the mat. Inhale to pull the legs back together into adduction, rolling the spine down, and exhale to extend the legs to the start position. Things to focus on for this exercise is making sure the abdominals connect to peel the pelvis smoothly off of the carriage and to not arrive too high up on the cervical spine, making sure to land on the thoracic spine. Keep the legs tensioned in the straps with the hip extensors working so as not to compress the spine.